Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story, where we bring you stories that matters as they happen. As the world continues to move at a rapid pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and breaking updates. Let's dive in today's lead. Suvendu Adhikari's PA, Chandranath Rath, shot dead in Madhyagram, Bengal, gripped by the post-election violence. Just after 48 hours, BJP sweeping victory in West Bengal Assembly elections, Chandranath Rath, Executive Assistant of Opposition Suvendu Adhikari, was shot dead by a motorcycle blown assailants in Madhyagram on Wednesday night. His vehicle was blocked by a car with a fake number plate before 3 bullets were fired at point-blank range. His driver was also injured. The BJP has blamed the ruling party TMC, calling it a premeditated killing and demanded a CBI probe. Police has informed multiple teams and they are scanning CCTV footage and investing the possible involvement of contract killers. Bihar Cabinet expansion today at Gandhi Maidan, PM Modi, Amit Shah and among key attendees. Long-awaited Bihar Cabinet expansion under Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary is set to take place at Gandhi Maidan today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Health Minister JP Nadda and former Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Chirag Paswan and several senior NDA leaders will attend the ceremony today. The expansion follows NDA landslide victory in the 2025 Bihar Assembly, where the alliance clinched 202 of 243 seats, commanding the 3/4 majority. ASEAN leaders gather in Philippines, Cebu amid Middle East crisis and regional tensions. Leader of Association of Southeast Asian Nations have converged in Cebu, Philippines for a regional summit hosted by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. The summit is centered primarily on the economic fallout of the ongoing Middle East conflict, particularly supply chain distribution triggered US-Israel strikes on Iran. The key agenda includes declining fuel supplies, rising food prices, and safety of ASE migrant workers living near the conflict zones in the Middle East. Bandra dating app meets into a robbery and assault. A 20-year-old Bandra resident fell into a victim assault, robbery, and UPI extortion on May 5th, agreeing to meet a man he connected on the dating app Valla. The victim accused Rizwan, who arrived on black Suzuki scooter. They rode to SV Road and car. The second accused Ali joined them near Mari Ali Mata Mandir, near a dog park in Carter Road. The duo turned aggressive and snatching the victim's phones and assaulting him to forcing him to reveal his phone password. Later on, the police used CCTV footage and vehicle registration details to track both of the accused at Jibu Beach, arresting them within the 3 hours of FIR being registered. Arrested Mohammad Rizwan, Mohammad Irman Sheikh, Dongri, Mohammad Ali Mohammad Saif, Qureshi at Bandra East. Prime Minister Modi marks Operation Sindoor first anniversary salute to braves. Renews wars to defeat terrorism. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday paid tribute to India's armed forces on the first anniversary of Operation Sindoor, hailing their extraordinary courage, precision and resolve. Posting on Thread X, PM Modi wrote that the year ago, India forces demonstrated unparalleled bravery in delivering a defeat response to those who had dared to attack innocent Indians in Pahalgam. He said the entire nation salute to their bravery of the soldiers. PM Modi further stated that the Operation Sindoor was showcased as India's firm resolve against terrorism and underlying nation's commitment to the national security, highlighting the armed forces professionals' capabilities, readiness and coordination strength. Pakistani army warns of stronger retaliation on the first anniversary of Makrai-Haq, vows to upgrade war capabilities. On the first anniversary of the 4-day conflicts, call it Makrai-Haq, the Pakistani army on Thursday issued a statement vowing to continuously upgrade its military capabilities and respond decisively to any future aggression. The army has described as the conflict is a defining chapter in its military history. Pakistani army said its force remain fully aware of the evolving geopolitical landscape and aggressive capabilities and pursuit of adversary forces. It warns any future hostile designs against Pakistan could be countered with greater strength, precision and resolve. Then the last year, Pakistan Air Force also highlighted multi-domain operations capabilities, calling it milestone in its journey towards becoming the world's future ready for air power. IPL final venue shifted to Ahmedabad. The BCCI has officially moved the IPL 2026 from Bengaluru to the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, scheduled for May 31st, while the board set it guidelines and protocols as the reason reports suggested political friction over ticket allocations and influence the decision, cementing Ahmedabad's status as preferred venue for the marquee tickets events. Bengal violence, BJP worker shot. Tension flared in West Bengal as BJP worker Rohit Roy was shot in the abdomen by unleashed TMC supporters while installing party flags. This attack occurred just after the hours of murder of Chandrakant Rath, the PA of BJP leader Subhendu Adhikari, highlighting a grim wave of political violence in the north of Parangas district in West Bengal. World Championship ready. Gukesh defeats Sindrov. Stay in hunt at Super Rapid at Bell's event. India's Grandmaster D. Gukesh has made a significant impact on the Grand Chess Tour, defeating the future world champions challenger Sindrov in the 5th round. Following the win, he held the American GM Wesley so to draw a moving into 6 points. The victory signals that Gukesh preparations for his December title clash are firmly on track as he continues to climb the standing in the pole. Energy Shield. India diversify crude sources to secure fuel supply aimed at Strait of Hormuz crisis. India refining operations remains outburst. Despite of disruptions in global energy markets caused by Strait of Hormuz turmoil, according to S&P Global Energy, India has successfully shielded the domestic consumers by deferring its crude purchase and increasing imports of Russian oil, while the country has managed to keep fuel supplies running smoothly. Official has noted that India still needs to scale up its strategic petroleum reserve to match the levels of the other Asian economies.